This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: a Google account, an active channel, and access to YouTube Studio. First, sign into the Google account you want associated with the channel. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio on desktop or the YouTube app on mobile. Make sure two-step verification is enabled to protect your channel during linking. Next, go to the channel profile and click your avatar. Then switch to YouTube Studio to begin linking third-party services or streaming tools. Start by selecting Settings. Once in Settings, navigate to Channel and then Advanced Settings, or choose Live from the left menu of Streaming. Here, retrieve or generate a stream key for your encoder. Copy it securely because it grants broadcast access. If you're linking an app, use the Connect or Add Account flow, which uses OAuth so you don't share passwords. Also configure stream preferences. Choose latency for interaction, match resolution and bitrate to your upload speed, and test a private stream to confirm everything works. Finalize by starting a private or unlisted test stream, or upload a short test video to verify playback and thumbnails. Monitor the stream health and analytics in YouTube Studio. Make sure bitrate stays steady and viewers see no buffering. Once content looks correct, set visibility and go live publicly. If something fails, reset the stream key, reauthorize the app, and make sure your firewall or router isn't blocking RTMP. Contacting your ISP about uplink limits helps if bitrate keeps dropping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.